Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here with DeLonghi Magnifica. This machine was brought in because it was leaking and not functioning correctly. The owner had installed a new generator, but they had installed the 240 volt version instead of the 120. And so we have swapped it out and now it's no longer leaking and functioning as it should. A full shot. Alright, there it is. DeLonghi Magnifica, working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.